Gia, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
Into some requests. You feel me? I got you. Now Skeng just dropped the one now. Oh, yesterday he dropped the one now today. No, yesterday he dropped the one now. 2 days ago. Damn, time fly, you're free. Skeng dropped the one 2 days ago called Dolla. The last track Skeng dropped was him and Valiant. I believe the one named Loyal Girl. You see me? That one is a vibe. It's a hit song that I think Skeng and Valiant actually found a hit song with us. You see me? I said, but we're gonna check out Skeng Dolla Bill. That's where dog that deal with. Shout out to Anthony so much. It's the first time I'm seeing this channel. Yeah man, respect man. If you're new, you know, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, become part of the Dan Mafia, become part of the gang. You see me? I say, yeah man, become part of the Dan family. You see me? I say, we'll be doing reactions, music, chilling, chopping it up, all that good shit. You know what I'm saying? Streaming. But yeah man, become part of the family, G. But yeah man, Skeng dropped this like what? Dropped this what? Did 2 days ago. Dolla Bill. We need to check it out. Like I said, the last track him did was him Valiant Loyal Girl hit song. Them actually find one. You see me? And I think Skeng did need the hit girl song. Well, I wouldn't say that. I did have Blood Clot Taliban and thing. But a song like that, he needed in his catalog. You see me? The one there I live for a long time. You see me? But in the one name Dolla Bill, I check it out and see where I deal with. Let's jump right now. Visual. It's just me. But it's by everything we invent. Don't say don't stress me out, my own nobody up at the bottom. Go ahead. Someone need me $1 bill. Get the youth $1 bill. The laughing $1 bill. Dollar bill. Crossy stuff follow me. Crossy stuff follow me. You see me? We don't want to bother you know $1 bill. Crossy no follow we arm to your man. I think them the ones you win. $1 bill. Don't know, so we like those. My money have sting go below the bill. It's a sin figure up, Mr. Chin. When you want my gang sing, stop still thinking. What a thing when you see my neck full of bling bling. I don't know what's right, but I'm on the floor. What a thing, yeah? My neck full of bling bling. You see me answer when we are living lavish. Diamonds, you see me bust down. You see me? Come on. But in the new Dolla bill, I feel like sing, chill, my jeans. Oh, I got a fresh Cartiers, bro. Some J's on. Stop playing with them. Boy, if he clean right now, he's on. Calling the way you be a wanting. Realize my tall thing, not a lot of you know me now. Stick around, know what my killer starring. Excuse me, darling, now you lost warning. Ling ling, you know me is can't hear the talking. So, excuse me, darling, that's your last warning. You see the one. Come on, give me away unnecessary links. Run things in the sea and make grease the young jang. And I think them the ones you win. $1 bill, my money have sting go below the bill. It's a fact, that's a fact. $100 bill. You see me, my money have to stink. Couple house where I bill, bro. I'm to them, man. Nah, house. $100 bill, my money have sting go below the bill. It's a sin figure up, Mr. Chin. When you want my gang sing, stop still thinking. What a thing when you see my neck full of. Go on, you know what she a good to, you know, man. Easy, you know. Blood clean, easy. I don't know what's right, but I'm on the floor. There's a new Dolla bill, make me feel like sing. You know to get trade yours to start from. Put the work and beat up like my girl. Any you take out a million if I know that boss. Man say, well, fuck the work cramp it up like me girl. Mash you see me? How are the blows and skirt are going? Blows and skirt, what's this? Easy now, man, come on. Not bad again. Man, can boy, I need warrant. You want me stand up, clap, I can't stand. It's like them on my ton, bone things stand. Get cash, go and but believe no gunman. Normal function, nothing them want that. I think them the ones you win. $1 bill. They don't want to see we win Dan Mafia, you see me? But they not stop with man, you see me? I say 10K, 100K, a million on the way. I'm to $100 bill, and they can't stop it. My money have sting go below the bill. It's a sin figure up, Mr. Chin. When you want my gang sing, stop still thinking. What a thing when you see my neck full of bling bling. I don't know what's right, but I'm on the floor. There's a new Dolla bill, make me feel like sing. New Dolla bill make me feel like sing. Oh, you mean, man? Happy. Ain't nothing better than new money. Come on. old, I don't think they have new money or old money.
But it's fight everything we in the check. This is when money me $1 bill. Get the youth $1 bill.
Dollar bill.
Love in no $1 bill.
Dollar bill. Dear man, money come here.
Cause you stop follow me. Dear farmer want rich.
Stop follow we stay
all-new
far. We want rich. I want to them that mafia. Yeah man, when you cross is something there man. You see me money we say man. I want to you. Yeah man. Hope move. Now these eyes getting mad disrespectful gang. Yeah man. But that's Skeng, Dolla Bill. That back with another one. What y'all think about Skeng gang? What do you think about Skeng and his career and his catalog so far? What's your opinion on Skeng? But who do you think got the best catalog out of the new generation? Who y'all think got the best catalog of music? Out of Skeng, Valley and Skilly. You see me? Who you think got the best catalog of music? And who you think like doing the thing right now? You know what I'm saying? And who do you think are on the place right now?